So over here, you can see that I'm in the home page, and if I were to go around and create a new mail, you can see that I simply have a blank email right here. But let's say what I want is I want something to appear. So I want a text to appear right here at the end of every email for this particular email account. In that case, I want to add in a signature. So to do that, I can go around onto view right here and then click on view settings. And once I do that, over here in the account section, you can go around onto signature right here. So these settings apply for the account. So you can choose the account for which you want the signature, and you can add in a signature name. For example, you can say something like this is for TutorTube right here. So I'm going to go around and say sincerely, and I'm going to go around and say Pratik Pradhan right here, and I'm going to go around and say TutorTube right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around and add this in, and let's say TutorTube is going to be bold right here, and it is going to be, let's say for example, underlined as well. So let's say this is what I have, and for sincerely, I'm going to go around and italicize right here. And let's say this is the signature. So for new messages, I can have the signature over here. So let's just go around and save it. And you can see for new messages, I can add the TutorTube signature. And for replies, I can have a different signature as well. So I can have another signature like replies right here. And I'm going to say cheers right here. And Pratik Pradhan right here. And TutorTube right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and add this in, just like this, and add this new signature, save it out. So for replies, it is going to be replies a signature right here. So once I do that, I can go around over here onto home and click on create new email, and you can see your signature right here, just like this. And if I were to go around over here on to reply right here, then you can see the cheers signature, as you can see right here. And that is how you can add signature to your emails automatically in Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.